Updating your legal name on Wavebox is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is changed quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Wavebox account. Access your Wavebox account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you are using the correct account associated with the name you wish to update. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is typically found in the User menu or Profile section, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings menu, find the section labeled Personal Information or Profile. Click on this option to access the details associated with your account. Step 4. Update your name. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your name, be sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new information. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name will be updated in Wavebox. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.